Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have been asked to verify your identity on Vinted. This usually happens for security or payout reasons. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually verify your Vinted identity fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So you can either go through the Vinted app, Vinted website, it's a choice of yours. If you are using Android, iOS, it's really better to use the app. Otherwise, we can go through the website, it's totally fine. We can do this by opening our browser, go all the way to Vinted.com, tap on this, then log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. Now we're gonna go all the way to settings here. And if you can see this identity verification, it will be prompted for you. Just tap it and upload a valid government ID. Then follow selfie or confirmation steps if required. You should also make sure your ID is clear and not blurry. All details should be visible. The name matches your account completely. As for like a small pro tip, you should complete verification as soon as requested to avoid any payout details or delays. Okay, so it's all about the small details. Yeah, that's true. We can go back to my wallet to access our available balance. We have the setup, payment history, invoices, income, all of these informations about you. If you want to even change your number, your email, you can do all of this through these settings. Go through the account details and you can do whatever you want. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.